Welcome back, YouTube. It's your boy Brian Felix Mendez. Now, the only reason why I'm saying that is because a lot of people are commenting, hey, why is your name Brian Felix and it's called Mendez? So I actually have two last names, like I've mentioned in previous videos. But anyways, today we have a beautiful 2022 Lincoln Corsair here. I don't know if I'm butchering the name, but you guys are gonna know more than I would, of course. So this car is gonna go ahead and get a full paint correction and enhancement. Now this is a 2022, so you guys are seeing the condition and stuff. It doesn't have any major swirl marks or scratches or anything like that. This is fresh off the lot, and honestly speaking, this should have came out the lot looking like we're about to make it look, right? So that's besides the point. We're gonna go ahead and transform this car here, you guys. We have Tony in the building today, and then we also have Ivan, his nephew, here. So gonna go ahead and knock this car out and ceramic coat it, man. So hopefully you guys enjoy the video. Make sure you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Yep. Yellow. The yellow ones are, man, stuff is good though. Iron speed, medium. Not slow, not fast, medium, you know.
All right, guys, so we are gonna go ahead and use this Car Pro eraser right here and basically just wipe off the residue and all of the Cot Chemi product that we use off of the paint. Just leaving it flawless, of course. We're not gonna go ahead and do anything too extravagant. We're just gonna go ahead and apply our ceramic coating. But before we do that, we need to do this, right? Once we finish up the windows, of course, and stuff like that, we'll go ahead and apply our ceramic coating, which is gonna be right over here in the stash. So we're gonna go ahead and be using this Crystal Serum Light here by G-Technic. Shout out to G-Technic. And yeah, this is gonna look amazing, you guys. So I can't wait to show you guys the after.
soon as they start getting bigger and you can see them better, that they are more like, you see how it's separating?
We are done with the car, you guys. I appreciate you guys for watching this video. If you made sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you did enjoy this video here. So we just finished up the ceramic coating job. Shout out to Tony. giving me a hand on this job here and letting me use the shop as always. Give me a fist pump, bro. Don't leave me hanging. Don't leave me hanging. Bam, there we go. So I appreciate you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like I said, this thing turned out meticulous, you guys. Look at this car. Man, like I'm so shocked at how good it's looking, man. And of course, with the lighting, our quality skills, quality expert advice right by our side with Tony Raldas Details, we made sure that we left this car looking flawless and showroom ready, right? So this car is gonna look like it just left the dealership. This is honestly how the client should have gotten the car, but unfortunately, we know the sad truth is you're not gonna get this car looking this way from the dealership, no matter how much you paid them. So, yeah. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Like I said, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Shout out to Tony again. Make sure you guys follow him at Tony's Raldas Details on Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, wherever you can find him, he's there. All right. Peace out, you guys. Hustle never settle. And catch you guys in the next one. Let's go.